For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of cluttered countertops and messy kitchen counters? Well, Hamilton Beach has just the solution for you, the Wave Crusher. But here's what surprised me when I first got my hands on this product. It's not just a blender, but a game changer in your kitchen. Therefore, if you're still unsure about whether or not to buy one, let me tell you, you won't be disappointed. With its sleek and compact design, the Wave Crusher is perfect for any kitchen, big or small. Therefore, I'm excited to dive deeper into this review and explore what makes it so special. But before we do that, I want to ask, are you struggling with making smoothies and other blended drinks at home? Do you find yourself constantly cleaning up after a messy blender explosion? Well, those days are behind you now. The Wave Crusher is designed with safety in mind, featuring a unique wave blade system that prevents ingredients from getting stuck. Therefore, let's take a closer look at this incredible product and see what sets it apart from the rest. One of the standout features of the Wave Crusher is its ability to crush ice with ease. Whether you're making slushies for your kids or needing a quick drink on the go, this blender can handle it. But that's not all. The Wave Crusher also comes equipped with 6 different speed settings, allowing you to customize your blending experience to suit your needs. Therefore, if you're someone who likes a little extra control in their kitchen, this blender is definitely worth checking out. Now I know what you're thinking. Is it really worth the investment? And my answer is, absolutely. The Wave Crusher may seem like a pricey item at first glance, but trust me when I say it's well worth every penny. With its durable construction and long-lasting performance, this blender will be your kitchen companion for years to come. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at some of the key features and specs that make the Wave Crusher so special. For one, it has a powerful 48 Oz blending capacity, perfect for making large batches of smoothies or other blended drinks. Therefore, if you're someone who likes to cook in bulk, this blender is definitely worth considering. Additionally, the Wave Crusher features a unique wave blade system that prevents ingredients from getting stuck and making cleaning a breeze. But what really sets it apart is its safety features. With an automatic shut-off function and secure lid design, you can blend with confidence. Therefore, if you're still unsure about whether or not to buy the Wave Crusher, let me ask you this. Are you tired of wasting money on subpar blenders that don't get the job done? Do you want a blender that will last for years to come and perform flawlessly every time? Well, look no further. The Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher is the perfect solution for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen game. And with its affordable price point, it's an investment you won't regret. But before we wrap up this review, I want to highlight one final feature that really sets the Wave Crusher apart: its ease of use. With a simple and intuitive interface, this blender is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Therefore, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in your kitchen, the Wave Crusher is definitely worth checking out. So there you have it, my take on the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher. Is it worth the investment? Absolutely. And with its incredible features, performance, and safety record, I'm confident that this blender will be your new kitchen best friend. For the best price, click the link in the description to get yours today.